Hey, what's up, people? How everybody goes? I am LukeTheRed, and I'm back with another reaction. I'm pretty sure, this is my first time listening to this artist, Cassyette. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that name correctly, but I think it's Cassyette September Rain, not November. September Rain, okay? It's a live song at Caribania Festival in Switzerland, 2024. I think it's my first time listening to Cassyette. So, yeah, let's figure that out with this song, September Rain, okay? Let's do it. Alrighty then. Cassyette September Rain. Let's do it.
It's so hot on this stage. I need some sunglasses.
Love that sound. What reminds me to that? All right, yeah. In my first time listening to Cassyette, never heard nothing before, and being a live performance that I had to watch it, like knowing them for the first time, a lot of things that I'm loving. The sound on that guitar, the effect, yes, it reminds me of a couple things that I don't really know for sure what it is, but I like it. The sound, melody, really good singing tones there, and yeah, he can scream too. Gonna go back a little bit and yeah. That's a song new metal. COD. And she goes back after that scream to sing beautiful melodies and like a fucking angel.
Thank you.
What the fuck, man? How many fucking bands that I don't know I will fall in love? How many exist? I don't have time. I don't have memory in my brain. I think. Incredible. Cassyette. First time. I'm amazed. That melody, the way that she sings, so good. The tone of her voice. The range. Love this song. Love this memory. Fucking. Oh my god, dude. I don't have time to dive in this incredible bands that you guys put me on. And now Cassyette, now this I'm just so interested in. It's a good problem though, you know? It's a good problem. For the first song, I just want to hear more. I just want to hear more. Love the way that she sings and screams. Yeah, that was my first reaction. Put on the comments what I should react next, because I will. Put a like, drop a comment, let me know. I want to know about this band. Fuck. Thank you for being there. Okay, thank you for the support. I hope you enjoy this. And like I always said, have a really nice day or night. And hopefully, I will see you into my next reaction. Bye-bye.